Welcome everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to crack your back with a foam roller. If you don't have a foam roller, I'm going to link the one I like using down below in the description. To start out, you're going to start by sitting in front of the foam roller and hugging your back as tight as you can. Notice I'm kind of rounding my back in a nice C fashion. I'm trying to imagine pulling my shoulder blades apart. Then you will gently lean against the foam roller while holding this position and go back and forth. Take a large breath in and out, and then lean back by placing your hands behind your head, and then go up and down multiple times on your upper back until you feel a nice pop, crack, or just a light sensation. Thank you so much for joining me. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe for less pain, and check out these other videos I think you would also enjoy, helping you manage pain in your body.
Tell me you're no good. I'm brushing away.